Well, at the end of our meeting of the Obio leadership for SIM, will hereby pass a vote of confidence on His Excellency Sir Seminala Joseph Fubara, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, and that the people of Obio local government will stand by you, God in, God son. We want to also thank the governor for the appointment he has given to the sons and daughters of Obio local government. We assure the governor that he has 100% support from the good people of Obio local government. And I want to state and call on the chairman of APC in Rivers State, Chief Tony Okocha, as the leadership of Obio has gathered today. We hereby call on him to henceforth desist from abusing the governor of Rivers State, and will challenge Tony Okocha to tell us what he brought to Obio people when he was chief of staff for good 4 years under the administration of His Excellency Right Honorable Chibike Olutimi Amechi. What we saw was abject poverty. Tony Okocha today is serving as a rep in NDDC. We also challenge him to tell us what he has done for the people of Obio within the stay in office for some months now. The people of Obio local government will not take it lightly with Chief Tony Okocha. Henceforth, we call on him to desist from abusing the governor of Rivers State. We also use this medium to assure Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, that he has the support of Obio people, and that our leader, the governor of Rivers State, Seminala Fubara, will stand with him. And that Mr. President, anything you want to do in Rivers State, be rest assured that with our leader, the governor, you have the 100% support of Rivers people. Our attention has been drawn to the purported sitting of the former assembly members, led by Right Honorable Martins Chike Amewule, who has been sitting severally, trying to incite and cause confusion in Rivers State to distract the government of Sir Seminala Fubara. Obio people have said, one, we call on Honorable Martins Amewule to please henceforth stop, because he is no longer representing the people of Obio, the constituency 1. And we're not going to take it lightly with him again. And those laws, those laws in the assembly is null and void. That the people of Obio local government are not in support of what they are doing. We want to also call on Mr. President, our father, the father of our nation, to please call the Minister of FCT, Chief Barrister Wike, to order to allow peace reign in our state so that development can drive. Each day in our state, we wake up with different news, different problems, trying to distract a man who God has given to us. Please, Mr. President, call your minister to order to allow peace to reign in our local government. Finally, the Obio people have decided that Governor Fubara will be governor for 8 years. Thank you and God bless you.
By the permission of our leader of the development movement of the local government and the leadership, I want to welcome all of you to the ancient community of Uwoji. I want to say what we are doing here today has already been blessed by God Almighty and the ancestors. Because Uwoji is the first son of Igbo kingdom, and Igbo and Akpor are brothers. And so whatever we are going to do here today has already been blessed, and everybody who is a son of Igbo kingdom must abide to this directive that we are giving here today. We don't want people to see the people of Obio or in very ethnic nationality as bad people. We don't want them to see us as envious and greedy people. And that is why we are calling this meeting today. People cannot just force us, put something on top of us when we didn't agree with them. We are very happy and we supported from beginning to the end the emergence of His Excellency Sansibilaye Joseph Fubara as Governor of Rivers State. We did everything possible to show that we accepted him. We have done our own part. The Rivers people have allowed us to rule Rivers State. And this is the turn of Sansibilaye Fubara. And we are giving him support. We are not against him, and we will never be against him. Unfortunately, some few individuals want to play God. They want to behave as if they are in charge of us. But who gave them their mandate? And so they cannot dictate to us. We are the ones to tell them what to do. We are not happy with our brother, the former Speaker of Rivers State Assembly, Martin Namewule. Whatever he's doing there, we know that the law will catch up with him. And everything he's doing there will be nullified. We didn't ask him to go there to challenge the government. Look at the kind of laws he's doing now. These laws all these laws were enjoyed by the former governor of Rivers State, who is our brother, just a weekend. He's not doing laws that will tie the hands of the governor of Rivers State, Sansibilaye Fubara. Did we intend to do that? No. That is what the people of Obio are saying today. They want it to be loud and clear. That we didn't send him to do that. He's supposed to be consulting with us before he says anything. But is he doing it? No. Not doing it. The two of them who are members of the House of Assembly are disrespecting the people of Obio local government. And we are saying that at the appropriate time we will recall all of them. That is the position of the people of Obio local government. You can't be disrespecting the people of Obio local government. You will not consult us. There is no town hall meeting like this. Look at elders, look at chiefs, prominent sons and daughters of this local government. You think you will not consult us and you will take decision on your own just to please one person? That is why we are calling this stakeholders meeting today, to tell the world that we are not in support of this evil that they are doing, and that the appropriate time will recall all these people. We are saying that the governor of Rivers State, stay strong in that office. We are supporting you. And so whatever good things that you bring to the people of Obio for all our communities, please do well to bring them to us. Our community needs all the good things. Some need transformer, some need good road, some need other better things. Please don't, because of this bad character of other people, deny us those opportunities. And we know our governor will not do that. The whole of Obio are strongly behind you. His Excellency Sansibilaye Fubara. And we want to say it loud and clear today. And again, to Mr. President, we want to tell you that whatever you want Rivers State to do for you, pass through the governor of Rivers State, the number one citizen of this state, Sansibilaye Fubara. He will tell us and will read for you. Don't allow anybody to take our credit. We are the ones that voted for you. Not these people. We are the grassroots mobilizers. You can see what is happening here today. The chair we hire here is 1,000, and no one, even people are standing. So we are more than 1,000 here, both in and out. So these are the grassroots people, the mobilizers, the voters, the real people who gave you the mandate as president. Not one man gave you that mandate. We supported that power should move to the south. Not be so. After we don't move finish and for 8 years. This one is the town of the south people. Not be so. So we supported you. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Give our governor the support that he needs. And whatever he wants from Rivers State, he will get it. With that, I want to welcome all of you to this IPOB making occasion. God bless all of you. I think
leader, simplify pen. First of all, let me start by thanking the leader of Simplify Movement and his team for a wonderful job they are doing, not just in the local government, but the entire River State. Let me also use this medium to plead with His Excellency. These traditional rulers, I want to mention, leader, please convey this message to him. The Nyewele from Ebreku was wrongly removed. His recognition was reviewed, and he's here today, supporting His Excellency 100%. The paramount law of Akpor Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Eze Johnson Ezio, was wrongly removed. His recognition with you. Please, leader, tell His Excellency, please, we are pleading, let them restate this person. Let them restate them. When people have their snacks today, let them go and enjoy that their snacks. They were not lying. They were not lying. I won't say that. I want to say we are here to bless what they are doing today. We are here to show support to our sons. We are here to tell them, go on, go ahead. Don't be afraid. The gods of the land are with you. Go and possess and conquer. One man that will not even know his name cannot become Lord in all their work. The day he was not born in government house. So he cannot deny for river people. We want to say what the speaker, the former speaker, the National Assembly is doing. We need ask him to go and do that. He has been removed as the speaker. He is there illegally. We, the people of Obio, particularly Akpor, and we lead delegation to his traditional ruler, el-rufai, to tell him to convey the message, to Honorable Martins and any further move again will declare him as enemy of Obio, enemy of Akpor Kingdom. We cannot continue to be afraid for nothing. We cannot. We will say, I will personally need traditional rulers of Obio to go and send that message to the edoelection, to tell Martins and any further creating laws, illegal laws, the people, the traditional rulers will not stand cry against him. We will declare him enemy of the local government. That is why we are here. Leader, go ahead, we are with you. Tell the governor we are with him. I make out.